YouTube, wake up! We got big news for you! The B8.5 S4, the fastest stage 1 around, is on the dyno. We have so much planned for this car and I'm so happy to have it here. Thank you for tuning in on this video. You better get ready for some rowdy shit. I gotta say here so you guys know, because it's gonna be, there's a long haul. Holy shit, guys, did you just see that? It really just did this. So let's go over the numbers of a stage 1 ECU and a TCU tune shifting at 7,200 RPMs on a 93 octane file with a nice ECS cold air intake. Coming in at stock, 312 torque. My tune, 403 torque. Guys, easy guesstimate, 90 foot-pounds of torque gain on a stage 1. That's not even the best part. Horsepower, stock, 306. All right, guys, ready? Stage 1, BDT tune, 93 octane, 437, guys, 437. That is literally 130 horsepower gain. So guys, let me present the dyno chart to show you the overall difference. There you go. Tune. I mean, look at the power band increase. I mean, study it for yourself, guys.